Right, ta sin gol ever mag mychione creature fear scansioil yn sa teal yn no. A sio osig fear veg en the kiwi. So lig dun geist dat ri sio hojak duns burl as es nulug shen unskilled.
And a young bird sneaks among the shadows. This strange hobbit-like creature is a kiwi, found nowhere else in the world. Every aspect of its behavior and every physical feature reveal that the kiwi is an evolutionary oddity. For a start, it's an honorary mammal. Unlike any other bird, his nostrils are situated at the end of his beak, allowing him to detect prey up to 6 inches underground. And his weird plumage is more like shaggy dog fur than feathers. The youngster is intruding on another kiwi's territory. And knowing he's been detected, he takes off. The chase reveals all kiwis' most startling evolutionary feature. Instead of flying, they run. Hidden in his hairy coat, the kiwi has tiny, almost invisible wings. But they are useless relics from an ancient past.
So lig dun jikene sheden rish, okay? But lig dun jina way and skilled. Okay, so sure ushig tad gre, but an LA gorish ushig an elevel. Te sgan shoil the vel a gulmac shell prowl feddyn be uns an e nac fel, so ta just chit mac uns an e. As duete the row and striden ec Gerrit and gob, some bit big quack. So te cur and gob stjach fo and tal who prowl feddyn creature and beggar. So shen rud bit big quack nac vel. As an LA jeek and gorish ushig, well just jeek nac vel in finna or in fur ag te jeek. An LA jeek and gorish fedgigan te jeek and gorish molder ons achten. As rud scan shoil, tau feddyn kiwi ons yn teilyn o as shene, hanelu fag yn ei feddyn ei cheer be ella. So te mac shelg ons yn ei, te bonus cag ar kiwi ella, as rud ella te quech, hanod yn ushig sio getlach. So cyrra te ginu, te roi, as te chicken na fel ei roi fear tafi nac fel. So te roi a sŵl er y fair nac fel ad able getlach. As tad cwml, te chicken na fel ad cwml fewn talu, ons tal, so yn gistjaw. As yn rud stjeri wrenchen feather mac, as te shen nac fel skienen och. Well, tad all, but tad fear veg, as hanodad getlach a kuntajay sheden. Shen